2020 was the year TikTok rewrote social media. By 2025, new player could be in the AI and AGI race in the same explosive ways. I'm talking about DeepSeek. I've had a go at it this week and it is pretty formidable. It's a dark horse of artificial intelligence and that's really gearing up to change our futures. So like AI and Google's Gemini and Anthropic's broad projects, DeepSeek is battling on niche breakthroughs. It's hyper efficient training and improves with the real time effect. If you just press that deep learning button, boy, you'll see something absolutely phenomenal, not seen anywhere else yet. And it looks like it's going to evolve with us, not just for it's built to be used with humans, not instead of humans. TikTok won back in 2020 because it mastered attention economy. It got it. It understood what it meant to grab someone's attention and how to push through. DeepSeek Edge is problem solving. You give it a problem, and if it's a simple problem, you can just fix like you would any chat GPT, anything like that. And if you ask it to deep learn or deep think, it gives you its thinking before it gives you its response. So it starts to trigger your brain into thinking about how you're going to do things. It says it's 10 times faster than ChatGPT. I'm not interested in speeds and stuff like that. I'm actually interested in how this thing is interacting with humans. It is pretty incredible. And I believe this year it's going to make a massive, massive change in how we use AI and AGI going forward. So it's rumored to have context-aware neural architecture. And that could bypass the limitations of today's AI. It's not incremental. It's like a complete shift in the map or redrawing the map. Like TikTok, they're not playing the same game. I've tried it with some coding. I've tried it with some writing. I've tried it with some calculations. I've tried it with some planning, some legal work. It's absolutely incredible. Even when you ask it to deep think, it makes your brain go faster, go deeper, and go harder. So if you remember back in 2019, 2020, Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts then scrambled to copy TikTok. Then you'll have the panic in the AI space. DeepSeek has really changed things. Maybe not everyone is aware, but people in the market have understood it already and are really worried because it gives you so much more than what standard AGI and AI models are doing, and it gives it for free. So just like TikTok gave video editing software for free, just like TikTok gave these sounds that we could use for free, this model, this AGI, this AI has given you everything that you could want pretty much for free. But here's kind of like where you need to really think about how this is going to move forward. DeepSeek is not going to just chase AGI. It's going to be building tools like to decentralize or democratize the use of this. It's going to make it easier for people who have nothing to do with AI, just like you've seen certain generations, older generations, jump on TikTok. You will see certain older generations get familiar with APIs, webhooks, web apps, building their own little tools in their own homes to see how this works forward. Before we used to call it the Internet of Things. Now we're really seeing a company come forward and push the boundaries, just like TikTok pushed the boundaries in 2020. We're seeing the boundaries being pushed in AI by DeepSeek, and they're going to be the innovators going forward. So what's the secret sauce? TikTok was about community. It's still about community. But DeepSeek, it's about a grassroots team of coders, startups, and researchers leveraging the tech. And the result is this snowball effect that when you get into it, you find it very, just very absorbing. And will DeepSeek dominate AGI in 2025? I'm saying yes. The only one thing holding it back now is the bandwidth. Slows the machine down very, very well. You can download, if you've got 400 or 500 gigabytes of space and a hard, fast processor, just download the whole thing and you're away on your own without any interference from bandwidth and stuff like that, because the AI generation is inside your system. Okay, so that's quite freaky and quite scary, but that's how you get past that. But other than that, if you use it, you will find some slow responses, maybe as negative. But I think 2025, we are going to see in AI land what TikTok did in social media land in 2020. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.